Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. It's the evening of October 18, 2020. I just want to kind of go back and really highlight a couple statistics about the COVID-19 deaths in the United States. And the question specifically I want to answer is, how much has the COVID-19 deaths, and what percentage has the COVID-19 deaths decreased from April 16th to here? Okay, now there's a lot of volatility, but if you do the number, this is what it shows. And this number is 4,928 deaths on April 16th. So there's three numbers we're going to look at. We're going to look at the most recent death, which is on October 18th. We recorded 690 deaths. This is the average number of deaths from December 31st, 2019 up until October 18th. And this is the average number of deaths between March 1st, 2020 and October 18th, because the first case is reported here, the first death reported here. Okay, so how do we calculate the percent of change? Well, it says here, find out the difference between the two numbers you're comparing. Then divide the decrease by the number and multiply by 100. Here's the critical part. If your answer is a negative number, then this is a percentage increase. Let's take a look. Let's do the math now. Okay, so we subtract 690 from 4,928, and it gives us 4,328, 4,338. Now we come over here and we divide D3 by C3. And this gives us the percentage decline because it's a positive number. So according to today, based on today's deaths, so what this means deaths have decreased by 86% since April 16th. Now if we say, well, that's not really fair because it's a single number, okay. If we take it, and we calculate the average number of deaths by day, beginning with December 31st, which has been the first case reported, that comes out to average of 748 deaths per day. Once again, the difference is 4,180. Now if we come back and we divide D4 by C4, that means we still have a decrease of 84% since April 16th, based on the daily average. If we say, well, let's do one more, let's determine the average number of deaths from March 1st, when the first death was reported, up until today. That's a 945 average deaths per day. Now, if we come back over here and subtract that from here, that gives us 3,983 deaths difference, which works out to an 80.8% decline in the number of cases. In the number of deaths. So that means on average, based on three different numbers, the deaths have declined between 80.8 and 86%. Not something the media wants us to know. Because in many ways, it really is unexplainable. I mean, we come back and look at the number over here again. Okay, here was this huge spike back here. Look at the deaths. Why aren't we seeing a huge massive spike in deaths that's associated with this spike right here? Okay? That's the question no one wants to talk about, I don't think. No one wants to explain why deaths are continuing to decline. Again, so if you start from here down to here, that's an 80 to 86% decline in deaths. Okay? I hope this has truly been encouraging to you. It certainly has been encouraging to me to look at these numbers for a second and third time. All right? We'll catch you on the next report in a day or so. Thanks so much for your time this evening. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow the Caribou Data Science YouTube channel. Thanks so much.